Elon Musk has fired a massive shot across the bow of OpenAI and Anthropic. Grok 4.5 is live. It explicitly targets enterprise developers, but SpaceX AI isn't honestly playing the smartest model game. They are playing the volume game. Now, the price tag is, well, quite ruthless. $2 per million input tokens, $6 for output. Now, that undercuts premium frontier models by more than half. Independent firm Artificial Analysis ran the numbers. Grok 4.5 costs nearly 90% less per completed task than its top-ranked rivals. Autonomous AI agents chew through millions of tokens, reading and iterating code. We know this. Now, token efficiency is life or death for engineering budgets. Grok ranks fourth in overall agentic knowledge work, trailing Anthropic's Claude. Musk, honestly, doesn't care. He says Grok matches Claude Opus 4.7 in capability, but ships way faster. Now, of course, we, I believe, are starting to witness the payoff from SpaceX's $60 billion buyout of the AI coding tool Cursor. That acquisition gave Musk an undeniable edge. Training data, Grok 4.5 bypassed the clean, sterilized benchmark tests. It trained directly on Cursor's interaction data. It learned exactly how professional engineers actually write, review, and debug code in the trenches. Now, it basically understands real production environments, and it's battle-tested. Internal engineers at Tesla and SpaceX already hammered this model on massive multi-repository code bases. Plus, there is, of course, owning Cursor gives SpaceX AI a dominant built-in distribution channel to push Grok directly to external developers. Now, when we actually step back and look at or overview the overall monopoly board, so to say, we are starting to look at a vertically integrated AI superpower. xAI merged into SpaceX for a $1.25 trillion valuation. What they did with that, they crushed the June 2026 IPO. OpenAI and Anthropic only build models. SpaceX owns the entire stack. They have the Colossus supercomputer, which is packing over 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs for training. They have the Grok Foundation models. They also, by the way, have Cursor for direct developer access. Now, honestly, nobody else in the industry controls their own silicon, software, and distribution all at the same time. Now, getting here was not that easy. Grok spent the last year dodging bullets. Let me go ahead and refresh your memory. Early versions triggered severe regulatory scrutiny over deep fakes and anti-Semitic content. You remember that time? The fallout was complete and total. All 11 original xAI co-founders walked. Musk publicly admitted the failure. He had to rebuild the AI division from the foundations up. Grok 4.5 is honestly the turnaround. It shifts the entire industry narrative altogether. We are moving away from raw intelligence bragging rights and starting to enter the era of practical unit economics. SpaceX AI has handed investors their first real proof point. Basically, they plan to capture the enterprise software market by starving the competition of profit margins. Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below as far as this entire development goes? Do you feel Musk seems to have his hand on the way things are going to work in the future? Is it his hand on the pulse of things? Is the owning the entire stack the way forward? Or do you feel OpenAI and Anthropic have something up their sleeves which they were waiting to fire back with? This and a lot more, I'm pretty sure, is something that is revolving in your head. So go ahead and share it in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.